Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Drawing in Fusion 360. First, navigate to the Design workspace and select Drawing from Design to begin. You will then choose a standard template and sheet size, such as in a 3 or a 4 sheet. Next, place your initial base view, then add projected views around it to show different perspectives of your model. Now, let's add crucial dimensions and annotations. Select the Dimension tool to apply linear, radial, or angular dimensions to your model's features. You can also add text notes, leader lines, and various symbols to clarify design intent. For precision, incorporate geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, often referred to as GD and T, to specify exact manufacturing requirements. To show internal components, create section views. Draw a section line across your base view, and Fusion 360 will automatically generate the cutaway. For intricate areas, use the Detail View tool to magnify a specific region, often at a 2:1 or 5:1 scale. Remember to adjust the view scale and display settings for optimal clarity. Finally, it's time to output your completed drawing. You can export your drawing as a PDF for easy sharing or as a DWG file for further editing in other CAD software. Fusion 360 also allows direct printing to a physical printer. Sharing your work with collaborators is straightforward, ensuring everyone has access to the latest design documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.